great. Stick your butt out and stick your chest out. And kick him. Trot, Pierce. Pierce. Kick him. You can't just stop kicking. You're almost there. One more big kick. Keep going. Wrong diagonal. Change it. Good. Now sit back. He's fine. Keep going. Open your outside rein. Look at him. He's fine.
How'd I do? You know what? You think that they each is a little too short?
No, they're perfect size.
I like this.
Diagonal. Change it. Good. See, now he's straight because you open your rein. Heels down. That was good.
That was better, right?
Yeah.